In today's video, I will discuss the latest case processing update from the National Visa Center, discuss January 2022 Visa Bulletin for family-based categories, and diversity visa lottery. Plus, I will give you the latest update regarding the status on the Backlog Report, where you'll find out when you will get your immigrant visa interview. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so welcome back to Itascorner. How are my amazing friends doing? How is the new year treating you? Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you guys are up to. If you're new on this channel, my name is Ita. On this channel, I provide lots of updates from the National Visa Center, the USCIS, and the US embassies. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be part of this amazing channel. Before I start, let's go ahead and give a quick shout out to my top supporting countries. The US, Jamaica, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, India, Canada, and all other countries that I have missed. Thank you for your continuous support. It means everything to me. Have you got your Itascorner's t-shirt yet? Well, look no further. Follow the link down below or check the video description box for more information on how you could get my t-shirts. If you're a big Itascorner's fan, this is the opportunity to support your girl because you know I'm always here for you. So do not wait. Get your Itascorner's t-shirt as soon as possible. Use the code that I provided for a discount. Here is the latest case processing update from the National Visa Center. As of January 10th, 2022, the National Visa Center informed the public that they are working on cases received from the USCIS on December 28, 2021. They are reviewing documents that you submitted to them on October 6, 2021. And lastly, they are responding to inquiries that you send them on November 10th, 2021. In conclusion, in terms of working on cases received from the USCIS, they are 2 weeks behind. Reviewing documents, they are 3 weeks behind. And lastly, in terms of responding back to your inquiries, they are 2 months behind. Now let's go ahead and take a look at January 2022 Visa Bulletin for family-based categories. Now let's go ahead and compare and contrast December's 2021 Visa Bulletin and January 2022. In the F1 visa category, we can see that Mexico is the only country that moved from December 1st, 2000 to February 1st, 2001. In the F2A visa category, we can see movement across the board from September 1st to October 1st, 2021. In the F2B visa category, Mexico moved from January 1st, 2001 to March 1st, 2001. In the F3 visa category, Mexico moved from September 8, 2000 to October 8, 2000. And lastly, in the F4 visa category, Mexico again moved from August 1st, 1999 to August 22nd, 1999. In conclusion, we can see that Mexico had the most movements in all categories, followed by the F2A visa category. This category is always current. However, they are 4 months behind. Now let's go ahead and take a look at January 2022 Diversity Visa Lottery. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Diversity Visa Bulletin. Immigrant numbers for qualified DV 2022 applicants. For Africa, they are currently on number 13,500. Except for Egypt, they are on number 8,000. Asia, 6,000. Except Iran, 4,000. And Nepal, 3,200. For Europe, they are on number 10,000. North America, which includes the Bahamas, they are on number 6. Oceania, they are on number 650. And lastly, for South America and the Caribbean, they are on number 900. The entitlement to immigrant status in the DV category lasts only through the end of the fiscal visa year for which the applicant is selected in the lottery. The year of entitlement for all applicants registered for the DV 2022 program ends as of September 30th, 2022. DV visas may not be issued to DV 2022 applicants after that date. Okay guys, so you only have until September 30th, 2022 to register. Please check out my next upcoming video. I have important information for DV 2022 applicants. And lastly, let's take a look at the current status of the Backlog Report at the National Visa Center. Looking at January 2022 Immigrant Visa Backlog Report, the number of immigrant visa applicants whose cases are documentally complete at the National Visa Center and ready for interview as of December 31st was 465,978. The number of documentally complete immigrant visa applicants scheduled for January 2022 interview appointments is 26,605. And lastly, the number of eligible immigrant visa applicants still pending the scheduling of an interview after January 2022 appointment scheduling was completed will be 439,373. To get an estimate time of when this backlog will be cleared, let's go ahead and divide the number of eligible immigrant visa applicants still pending an interview, which is 439,373. We're going to go ahead and divide that number by the number of documentally complete eligible applicants scheduled for January 2022, which is 26,605. When this number is divided, we get a total of 16 months. So to clear this backlog, if they continue to schedule 26,600 interviews each month, it will take approximately 16 months to clear this backlog. If you're previously documentally qualified, you will have to wait for all those documentally qualified applicants who were approved in the previous years, 2019, 2020, and 2021. Once those interviews is completed, then they will get to you. So guys, as I have stated, to clear this backlog, it will take approximately 16 months. So here are some things that you could do in the meantime while you wait for your immigrant visa interview. Tip number 1, get vaccinated. Get fully vaccinated as soon as possible. If you do not get fully vaccinated, this can slow down your visa processing. Tip number 2, keep on checking your case status at the National Visa Center. There may be situations whereby your case may be sent to the US Embassy in your country and you didn't get an interview letter. If you check your case status at the National Visa Center and it says that your case is at the US Embassy, you need to contact them as soon as possible so they can give you instructions on how you can schedule your immigrant visa interview. Prior to your immigrant visa interview, you have to be fully vaccinated because you will need your vaccination card to take to the medical doctor who will perform a physical examination on you. He or she will then send that report to the US Embassy within your country. You cannot be interviewed without being fully vaccinated. Do not waste your time. If you are not fully vaccinated and your interview is already scheduled, contact the embassy immediately so you can reschedule for a later date. So ladies and gentlemen, to come to the US, you need to be fully vaccinated. And lastly, tip number 3, if you find that your immigrant visa application is taking long and let's say you have an emergency, for instance, there's a death in the family and you have to travel, your child is aging out, it's about to turn 21 years of age, or you're experiencing some type of economic or financial hardship, you can always submit an expedite request. Whether your expedite request is approved or denied, you will not lose your place in line for your immigrant visa interview. So you do not lose anything. If you have any questions or you need any help in preparing for your immigrant visa interview, make sure that you send me an email and schedule a consultation with me as soon as possible. Remember to be consistent and prayerful, and everything will happen in God's timing. Before I go, make sure that you subscribe, share this video, give it a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss another video from me. Thank you for watching Itascorner, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.